This brand just sent me their brand new cordless vacuum cleaner. So let's unbox this and put it to the test. Let's go. It comes very well packaged. First piece is the main tube. It is metal, it feels really good. It has plastic connectors on each end. Very easy to expand and shrink down. Just hold the button and it locks where you want it to. Then it comes with the 2-in-1 suction nozzle. This is great for any tight corners, along edges, between cushions on upholstery. Really nice for that with the focused nozzle. And then if you want to, you can add the brush right on. Really great as it means you don't have two separate accessories, just this one. You also get the triangle brush. This one is my go-to. I have two long-haired cats, and thanks to this piece and of course the suction, it will do a great job pulling up all the cat hair that seems to connect to everything in our home. And I love that this vacuum comes with a wall bracket. It has the hardware too. It has the drywall anchors and the screws. Of course, you need a power adapter. And here is the electric floor brush. What is really key to me with this is that it needs to have that wiggle so it can go under furniture and go really flat and be easy to maneuver around corners wherever you want it to go. It has all the maneuverability that I'm looking for. And the roller is meant to not collect as much hair around it as the standard roller. Now you can pop this out. You just open it up and then you can pull out the whole roller. And this makes it really easy to clean this out. And it pops right back in easily. And then you get this super long-lasting battery, which is key. Not only do you want strength for high suction, but you also want it to last a long time. And this filter is cool. It has rubbery ends and then this mesh material that's very, very fine. And you can wash this entire thing. Just make sure it dries all the way before you use it again. And I almost missed this piece. It's a little hair cleaning tool. It has a brush on one end and a hook on another, and this will help keep your vacuum clean. And here is the main piece. This little bump here to help your finger hold in place is really a nice addition. The battery will go in right here. And then when you're ready to empty it, just press this button and everything will come out. It will collect everything right here. And you can always twist this piece out, and this is your main filtration system, and it has a second filter in it. So you just pop that right back in, and you want to twist until it clicks in. We're ready to go. Let's put this to the test. So let's turn it on low and just see how it does. I love the light that turns on, and even on low, it's doing a fantastic job, but I want to turn it up one more level just to see. That's definitely clearing everything. I don't even need that high of a level. I still have this little bit of dirt right here. Fantastic. It does exactly what I want, and I love how small it is. This definitely has the suction. Now let's try it on some pet hair on upholstery. So I love that I have this large-sized triangle suction here, as it'll make quick work of this bench. This would also be great for a stairwell. Let's put it to the test. Now just on low, I can see that it already got a lot of cat hair, but I can also tell that it didn't get everything in these, which makes sense. Even my corded, high-powered vacuum has a hard time with those. I could use the focus to suction on those, but I have a feeling if I turn this all the way up, it'll take care of everything for me. I pulled up all the cat hair. It made quick work of it. I'm really impressed. Now to empty it, you really do just simply press this button over a trash, of course, and let it empty. For simply being battery operated, it has incredible suction. It has all the components you need, and they really thought it out well. I am thrilled with it, and I know you'll be as well.